how to post your TikTok video. In this very video, you are going to learn how to post your TikTok video after making them, how to make your video and post them. So make sure that you watch this video to the very end. Let's dive into this tutorial. So you're going to log into your TikTok app. You're going to click on the plus sign that you see there. So you already made the video in your phone. So all you have to do is click on that plus sign, click on the picture icon, then you select the images that you want to use or you want to upload. If you're uploading several images, you can click on them at one at a time. Just click on all of them. But if it's one image, all you have to do is just click on that particular video or image. So I just selected several images and they just help me to sync it. I'm going to click on the sign button that you see there, and I'm going to select any music that I feel it's okay for the video. So if you have a particular music in mind, you can just click on the search icon where you're seeing Chibogo there. You can just click on to search for the particular kind of music. So I'm going to add text. You're going to see the option of the text. I'm going to add the text, what the video is all about, so that TikTok can categorize the video to the right audience. Okay guys, so there are several options here. These icons that you see here are the different options that you can use to edit your videos. So once you just click on, all you have to do is edit it to the way that you want it to be. So I'm going to show you more, or I'm just showing you how to, I'm just going through the video if it fits what I'm going to do, and I'm trying to get the particular sound that I want to use. So since this video was talking about me, I decided to use Sweet Mother. So I'm going to just add text, add the title of the video, or you can just post it like that without adding anything, like the video I made yesterday. So since I was talking about motherhood, I just titled it "Mothers Are Good," and then I'm going to add hashtag relating to this because this is a vlog and this is like talking about me. So I want to just add hashtag that I related. So it makes it easy for TikTok to recommend your video, to categorize your videos to the right audience. So I was just trying to get the cover photo, because it's going to tell you like how would somebody that comes to your profile, how would they see the video on your profile. So I just wanted to make sure I click on that. Then afterwards, I'm just trying to like any parts of the video that I don't like, I just click on the split icon and it just cut it to the way that you want it to be. So I was trying to just make sure that I get it right. So after doing that, I'm just going to this is very easy, just like when you're editing with your CapCut. This is how it is done. So if you don't want to make your edit, all you have to do is just upload the video, title it, and then you post it. So doing this is like you're editing on CapCut. So you literally don't have to do this on TikTok here. You can just add anything that you want to do. That's just how it is done. So I was just trying to see that if I can add more. So I click on overlay and I'm going to choose the overlay button that I want. So I just want to, this is just editing. So we're not like actually editing, we're just learning how to upload videos. So this is just like extra tips that you can use. So I'm just going to go over to press next and we're going to upload this video. So you see I titled everything already. I set the video on everyone and more options. You can add your location. You can do all of things. Click on more options. You see different things that you can turn on there. What we're going to do is just click on next and you see that the video is uploading. So this is basically how to upload your videos on TikTok as a beginner. So you guys make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you find this video very helpful, because I'm coming back and giving you different. So if you want me to make any particular video for TikTok, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll be making more videos answering all your questions. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up on this video, comment and subscribe to this channel. I will see you on another one. Thank you so much for watching. So the videos uploaded, you can see Zara there.